Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your bio on Threads in 2025. So whether you want to add new bio, update your style, or just want to refresh your profile, make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Threads mobile application and then you need to simply log in into your account. Once this step is done, simply tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see your current username and bio. In order to edit it, simply tap on the edit profile option and here you will be landed on this page. Now this is your bio field, so you can simply just tap on it and you need to simply press the cross icon on your keyboard. Over here you can start typing your new bio and you need to make it clear and under 160 characters. If you want to import your bio from Instagram, you can tap on this option in the bottom, which will redirect you on your Instagram account. From there you can just simply get the same bio that you have in your Instagram account. So after typing your bio over here, simply tap on this check icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. You can also feel free to change your profile photo, display name, pronouns, etc. So here, once you are done, check this box and save your bio, and now it will be display with the new text on your Threads profile. So this is how you can update your bio on Threads in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you want a tutorial on any other topics. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.